This is Motorola Moto G62 5G device, and in today's video we are going to demonstrate how you can enable and set up the nearby share feature on this smartphone. So first of all, swipe downwards from the status bar and open the control and notification panels, then expand the control center like so. Among the shortcuts that are available to you, look for the respective nearby share shortcut. If it is not present in your case, you can add it by configuring the layout of shortcuts, which you can access from this little icon over here. So find it within this set of shortcuts and add it over here, drag it like so. So once the nearby share shortcut is discoverable at the control center, you gotta touch and hold on it, then switch on this use nearby share toggle, then tap on the add or verify option right here, agree, then choose the device visibility, set it to be visible for contacts or everyone, and then choose the data mode, which we highly recommend to set to be data. Just like so, you have successfully activated the nearby share function for receiving and as well as sending. So let's say transfer this little document over here to our device. So I'll just simply go share. Okay, not this one. I'll tap over here as well once again. Yep, I'll simply share the image. It will be easier and, well, significantly faster. So I'll open up the Photos app, choose what image I would like to share. Like this one, let's say. Then I'll go for not this one. I'll go for the share icon that I cannot find. Okay, here it is at the top left corner, bottom left corner. Tap on it. More. Not more, okay. Here more. Nearby share. Wait until the Motorola gets discovered. Tap on it. On the receiver's end, you gotta accept. And you can now open the image that you have just received through nearby share function. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.